Sure, yeah. So I'm Rob Sangha. I work for Mastercard Open Finance, and I lead our UK and Ireland sales efforts.
Cool. Thanks, Rob. Welcome to Open Banking Takeaways.
Pleasure to be here.
Very pleased to hear it. I'd love to know, dinner at home or out? What's your preference?
I mean, this is a nice hybrid. You know, you have you're out, but it's a takeaway.
You're out.
But probably out. You know, tablecloths, nice lighting. That's
Okay, so you like the finer things. I get it. Tablecloth, silver service, napkins. Do you ever host dinners at home though?
I do when I have the time. I mean, I like cooking.
Okay.
Again, it needs to have time. Maybe at a weekend, maybe pour a glass of wine, that kind of thing.
What's your signature dish?
What's my signature dish? I can make a good paella.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, with the big pan and yeah.
Say you're hosting a dinner. You've made your paella.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a wine.
Yes.
You've got your guests there. How many times have you had to explain what open banking is?
A few times.
What's the most common response when you try and explain what open banking is when you've turned to the person next to you, apart from the funny looks?
They say, "Can you repeat that?" And I try to say the same thing in a different way. And this just goes on and on and on until then they turn to the other person.
Okay, and you lost them.
Yeah.
And then we move on. What is more satisfying? Closing a big sales deal or getting the last piece of chicken?
I mean, the last piece of chicken is always good, right? But then hearing that deal bell when it goes, I mean, that's probably the winner. Yeah.
How do you woo people?
I mean, I can probably tell you a good story with a client. Yeah, so I was at the cricket with a client. It was a big game, England, Australia. So if you're a cricket nerd like me, that's quite a big deal.
Okay.
And he was saying, you know, this is a great day, and then my son is, you know, actually outside with his mates, so playing around outside the ground, hoping to get in. And I'm thinking, there's an angle here somewhere. And so at the tea break, I knew his son, so I went outside. I said, "Oh, do you want my ticket? Your dad's in there. Shall we switch and you can watch the kind of last session?" And he said, "Oh, yeah, great, that'd be amazing." And then he comes back in, and so we switch, and then I get a message from his dad saying, "Wow, that was like the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me."
I'm lost for words. That's incredibly generous.
Yeah.
So, in the same vein, if I said, "Can I have your meal?" would you give it to me?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you're going to be at the Open Banking Expo.
Yes.
What's most exciting you about that this year?
I mean, now it's, you know, open banking is moving in a whole load of different directions, you know, with open finance and with open data. And so I'm really excited to see, you know, all of the ecosystem coming together, be it, you know, the banks, be it merchants, acquirers, but it just in you know, the conversations have hopefully moved on a bit more. So I think, that's what, it's just everything's bigger and better now.
Rob, thanks so much for joining me on Open Banking Takeaways. So nice to have you, and I'm going to have your meal now. Thanks.
Thank you very much.